and in one screen I will open this one, manage template, because we were doing the performance form, so we need to go and compare it. Manage form template, and in one form what I will do, I will try to proxy the user as we have brought the form to Ahmed Van, right? So Ahmed Van, we go into the proxy to the Ahmed Van, and in the another screen I will go to the performance review, and this was the form SCR 2021 performance review. I will open this form, and I am already in the proxy of Emma brand. I will go to the perform. I will go to the home page. I will go to the performance tab. Click on the performance tab. You can see here the form yesterday which we have launched is there. Form title, employee. It is in step. What is the step which is there? And start date, end date, due date, all these things. It has been specified, and who has launched the form. My ID is also coming. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. I will click on this form. Once you click on this form, the first thing you can see the name of the form, SCL 2021 performance review form for the user. Okay. Then here you can able to go and see. You go and see here employee information review goal. This sequence it is coming from here actually. Employee information review goal. This is a sequence which is coming here. Can you able to see here the same sequence?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a sequence. Is there. Okay. And this option also we have drag and drop, which if you want to feel that this sequence should come first, you can drag and drop the configuration. Same thing will be reflecting here. Okay. Then comes the route map. When you see the route map here, we have selected the route map. This is the route map in the form. Can you able to see SCL route map form?
Yeah.
This route map which we have created, according to the route map, you can see here the first step is the employee self-assessment, right? Okay. So if you click on the I option here, you can see who is the employee, right?
Yeah.
The second, once the form is being done by the self-assessment, when the form will move to the manager, the second step is the manager. So who is the manager? You can see here the manager. Okay. Then you have the third step. Third step also it is with the manager. Okay. And the fourth step is the employee signature. And the fifth step is the manager. Okay. In this sequence, the route map it is showing. Okay. Now, employee information. When you go here to the employee information, can you see here what are the configuration which we have done here? Okay, the first name, last name, department. The same thing it will be coming here. Can you see here? The additionally whatever the fields which we have added here. Okay, in the employee information, the same configuration it will be reflected. Okay. Now again, if we move review date, this review date originator it is showing my account because I have been the originator. Review period it is coming from the goal management form because the initially if you remember 1st April 2021 we have mentioned already who has created that form.
Okay.
Originator is something like who has created the form. It is not nothing related to the proxy. Now we are, as an administrator, we want to show you into an employee, then we are going into the proxy.
Okay.
But if I have the, if I have the login credential of MS1, I will log in with his ID and password. And
Right.
when I enter into his login, then he can see that the same page, originator, who is the originator, like this.
Hmm.
Okay, same thing you can able to see it in the review date. Okay, the description and everything we have kept it blank actually. Okay, then coming to the goal. From here, goal it is showing 50%. Okay, now again if I come to the goal, we are already in the goal here. Okay, so coming to the goal, you can see the section is evaluating adoption of the goal. All these things are coming from where? From here. If you want to add something, you can able to add it. Okay, now in this I had shown you when you're specifying here with a text to unable to rate. So how it will be reflecting here? When I'm just going here, scrolling down, see in the rating scale, if I again go back, if you see here, uh, in the general setting, if you see here, we have taken the rating scale, right? We have created a rating scale initially. So the rating
Hmm.
scale was between 1 to 5, I think. Okay. So now when we go into the goal here, when you come into the goal here, you can see the rating scale 1 to 5, 5 rating scale. Okay. So this is the self rating what we will be doing it. Okay. Now when I
Okay.
told you that if you have not completed something and if you don't want to put the rating, okay, in that case, this option will come as unable to rate. Where this option, when you are enabling that is unable to rate, it will be coming here. You can see here, when I'm just bringing here, this is changing. You can see unable to.
Yes.
Okay, but if I'm just giving the rate, see rating scale also, in the rating scale we have mentioned one is what rating, two is what, three is what, four is what, five is what. All this description we have created in the rating scale. Okay,
Yeah.
that is one thing. And then when you go into the show advanced option, and scroll down, this first paragraph and the last paragraph we will discuss later in the coming class, but we will compare the remaining part. If I come here, from here, include the ability to enter in a wait. This part, include the ability to enter in a wait. So here, you can see here, this is the first, this is the first goal which we have
Hmm.
selected. We have given the edit option. Okay, already we
Yeah.
have given the edit and delete option. Generally in the real time we won't be giving, but for showing the form I have given the option here enabled. So what does it mean? Where it is, include the ability to enter into a wait. What does it mean? When you click on here, the form is getting opened, which is already, which you have filled already. Okay. In that, if you want to update the wait here, this is editable. So this you can able to edit from here with the existing wait. Okay. That is the meaning of this one. What you call include the ability to enter into a wait. Got it? Understood?
Yeah. Yeah. No. Show me once again.
Okay.
Ability
Include
to enter into it.
include into a enter a wait means this is the goal which we have created. You can see customer repurchase
Yeah.
on these goals. So here you have the edit option. You can see So
Yeah.
if you want to edit the weight, if you want to re-enter the weight, you can go here and you can enter the weight, update the weight.
Okay.
Okay, that part you have done the enabling here. Okay,
So include the ability to enter in a weight.
that editable option will be there. Field that editable option, that permission is being given.
Okay.
That permission is coming here. If these permissions are not there, these are the permissions: edit options, delete options. But if the permission is not there, you cannot able to go and edit the weight. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, that is the permission which is being given. That only it is saying that include the ability to enter into a weight, enter in a weight. Second one is that include a comment for each item. See, uh, here when you go here, you can see here subject comment. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay. There are two types of users are there. One is subject user, one is item user. Okay, so subject user is nothing but the employee. Item user is nothing but the manager. Okay, so here it is specifying the subject comment means the employee comment, the employee who will be doing the self comment. Okay, okay. So in the performance form, there are two type of users are there, which is mentioned as subject user and the item user. Okay, so whenever you are mentioning any comment for subject comment, it indicates that it is an employee comment. Item comment, item rating, it is coming, then it is showing that specifying that it is the manager's comment or manager's rating. Okay, so
Mhm.
now subject rating, subject comment, all these are the employee related, which employees give. Okay, so if I go here, you can see here the subject comment. So you are enabling this thing. Include a comment for each item. Okay, that is each item means for each section. That is the comment. If you scroll down again, you will be having the another comment box, subject comment box. If you scroll down, you will be having the another comment box. Okay, that is the meaning. Include a overall comment. So after this, if you come down, you can find the overall comment. You can see here overall comment.
Yeah.
Okay, this is been enabled here. Okay, overall comment. Where it is? Display section in the summary. Display section in the summary means if you again scroll down lastly in the summary section. Where is the summary section? This is the summary section. You can see last, this is the summary section. So in the summary section, if you come down, this is the display option. What it is saying? Display section in summary. Display section means this one. The entire name, rating, weight, entire that is coming as a summary. Display some section. Okay.
Okay.
This is coming at the last. Okay. After that, nothing is there. You have to submit them. Okay. So this is the display section in the summary. Okay. Then after the display section, you have display calculated section rating. Display calculated section rating. So again, if you come here, you can see here calculated section rating. This one. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Section wise, it is specifying the rating. Once we give the rating, it will be coming here. Okay. That is the meaning of display calculated section rating. Okay. That is also coming here. Okay. Then auto populate goal weight from the. Okay. You can. I will just discuss it later. I'm holding this. Allow user to add remove goal within the section. Allow user to add or remove the goal within the section. allow the user to add or remove the goal. So if I go back into the section, if I go to the goal section, you can see here add option, delete option. You can see here, this is the add delete option which is specifying here that anybody can able to this one. And if I again scroll down, user metrics lookup table, users metrics lookup table. Okay.
Use metric,
So,
yeah.
so again, if I go back here, you can see here this one, this tab you can see. When I click on here, you can see here this is the table. Once we give the rating, this table will be get updated automatically. Okay, that also you are enabling here. And again, overall calculated rating, display goal section, everything we have already discussed right now. Okay, now same thing, the same advanced option will be coming in the core value. When you click on the core value, when you go to the core value also, core value, what all things are there, which is coming, acting decisively, acting strategically, demo library, demo competencies. Okay, this is the core value. So if I go here and if I want to see the core value, these are the normal goals. After the normal goals, you have the category that is core value. You can see here the core value that is
Yeah,
specified as
20%.
20%. Okay, so in that you have this demo library and you have acting decisively. Okay, then you have this acting strategically, and then your demo competence. All this is being added in the competence. Okay, so suppose if you want to add or delete anything, then you can go here. Okay, you can able to, if you want to add some more competency, you can able to click on the add competency. Okay, and if you want to specify anything by role, you can able to select it from here. Okay, we will try to do it. That is one thing. Now
Yes.
we have not given any. Actually, let me delete option. I will take it to only. So here one, this also I will take. Let me okay. I will again go back to the core value, and here you can able to see the score is not been mentioned. So how to give the score? They have given that 20% weightage. Okay. So you can see here the pencil icon. Okay. You can see here. So we will click on here and let's give the weightage as 50%. Okay. I'm just selecting it. So 50% of the 50% of this total core value, 20%, and again you can able to see here also it is coming 50%. Okay. Now, one more thing is there. Initially, we have also discussed about the rating scale. So going here, uh, in the show advanced option also the same thing will be repeatedly coming. There won't be any difference. So which we have already discussed. Okay. Here you can able to see a default rating. Okay. Default rating it is coming as selected rating. Okay. So here you can see a selected rating is coming. Okay. This is the text which you have configured. Can you see this selected rating? Okay.
Yep.
Okay. This is been configured here. Okay. If you are changing this name and if you are specifying any other name, that will be reflecting here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That is one thing which is coming here that we have done the configuration here. Okay. Now, same thing, it will be repeatedly coming in the role specific also. When you go into the role specific also, you can able to see the show advanced option. The same feature will be repeatedly coming. Okay. So if you want to go into the role specific also, you scroll down, you can see role specific. Okay. So role specific already it has been specified. The role specific. Okay. Controlling the cost and everything is already specified. Okay. So that we need to do it. And after that, after specifying this, you have a section comment, then you have a strength and development. Okay. Strength and development. You can see here the strength and development is already configured here. Okay. The same thing it will be coming strength and development. Okay. The same thing which will be coming here. After that, the another section is the summary section. You can see here summary section.
Yeah.
This the same thing in the summary section also it will be coming. This one summary section. So after the summary section, in the summary section, go down. You have this allow manual rating. Okay, allow manual rating means here. See, this is enabled. Why it is coming enabled? Because manually you can able to give that rating. Okay, if I uncheck it, then whatever the rating is being given by the manager, that will be automatically that will be taking that rating here. You cannot able to manipulate it. You cannot able to edit it. Got it?
Okay.
Understood? That is the meaning of allow manual rating. This is coming under the summary section. Okay. Then if you come down after summary, you may be having the signature section comments and the signature. Okay. So this is all about. Now we will give the self rating. Let's go and give the self rating to the employee so that we can move the form to the manager. We can able to see how the process goes on. So I'm just going up. So this is our page. So I'm going here into the goal. I'm just giving the self rating. So this is it is specifying behind. So I'm just giving need development. Okay. I'm just giving the rating because it is showing this behind. Okay. Then customer satisfaction. Okay. So this I will give the rating as 3. Okay. Then come to this one completed. So this completed, let's give, I will give the rating as 5. Okay. Then after this certification also it is completed. Let's give the rating as 5. Okay, you can also see here the rating is getting automatically calculated. It is getting changed here.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever rating which we are giving. Then we have on track. On track which will be specifying as 3. Internal training. Okay, then this is also on track. So let's give this one also. Okay, resolving postpone. So this I will keep the hold. I will select it unable to rate option. Okay, this I'm not rating anything. Okay, and then I will mention and core value. When I go into the core value, here I can able to provide the rating. I'm just providing the rating, and you have a writing assistant. This tab is there, which is coming here. So when you click on here, you can select the writing assistant to make this. Okay, what is the writing assistance? You can able to select. This is already predefined here. So let's take something. It is okay. So it says selected this. This is already coming here, and I am just specifying the code here. Okay, I'm just selected this, and again I have to give some rating here. So let's go, and I'm not taking any writing assistance for this section comment. Uh, Overall, I'm just giving the self. Then coming to the role specific, here also if you want to add some competencies, you have an option here. Any user can add the competencies here. Okay, under the HR family, see here the competencies, families, and everything is there. So if you want to add something, you can add it here. Okay, but it is already added here. Lot of things. So I'm just taking this and I'm just giving some ratings here. See,
Uh,
this inter role specific competency, we have given this add option. Okay, so this is the
yeah.
competencies. So see, we have two categories. One is core value, one is role specific. These two categories are there. Core values are something like a soft values. Okay, role specific
Mm-hmm.
means it is functional values. Okay, functional means which is relevant to the domain what you are keeping. If it is from finance, if it is from sales, marketing, HR, okay, logistics. So according to that domain there are certain uh, competencies. Okay, so how these competencies are being if you want to add these competencies in the performance form, so how you will do it, you have to give the permissions here. So you have given the permissions here. You can able to go and see here certain add options you had already given here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so where it is, where it is, see, you can see here allow user to add competency. You can see here this option. can see here, allow user
Yeah.
to add competencies. The same, that's why this option is coming. Discuss in the later class how the
Okay.
competencies are created. There is a separate tab called manage competencies. So from there you need to create those competencies, and there are two type of competencies. One are standard, one are custom. So standard are coming from the library, custom we have to input it. So once we click on here, you can see here this is coming all names are coming, the families are coming, and under this you will be having certain codes and everything. So from here you can able to go and create your own. You can add your own. Already it will be added. How it will be added, how it will be created, that also you will see in the coming class. Okay.
Okay.
So this button you are enabling means you are giving this option here. You can see here allow user to add competence in the performance form. Okay. Under the role
Okay.
specific competence. That's why it is coming here. Okay. After this, when you scroll down, let's complete this, and let's give some rating here. Let's give some rating here. Give some random rating here. Okay. Section comment. Section comment. You can just give a random comment here. After this, you have the strengthen development. Okay. If you want to give the comment, you can able to give the comment. Then automatically you have this option of giving the overall form rating comment. So you can able to the comment something like this one. Okay. And after giving it manual comment, you can able to then you will what you will do, you will you have an option of save and close, you have an option of cancel, and you can able to finalize the form. Wait for this warning section, will wait for this section. 170 they add up to 40 only. Okay. What was the error coming? What was the error which was coming? Warning. Wait for this section. Should add up to 100. Currently they added up Okay, so I need to increase the weight. I think. Just a
Yeah,
minute.
should.
Uh, this is the goal. I think. Goal. Goal is the total weight we have given to here. Total weight we have given section weight just a minute. That is the let me I need to launch the form again. Give me a moment. Admin center. Box. At the front side. Go to the admin center. Back to one again. Performance form. Launch form. Then select. Select the calendar as 21. Then you proceed. Once we proceed to end line, go back to the performance form. No, this is not the form. It's the form which we have given the rating. Let me refresh it. Should come. Just a minute. It's, I will do one thing. Just give me a moment. Let me see the form as clear now. No, the form has not been there. Just give me a moment. I will again launch the form. Then I will go to the performance training. Then I go to the performance training. Still the form is not good. All forms. We need to wait because I updated the form, performance form. Again, launch the form. So we will wait for the time that the form comes because there it was mentioned as 100% rating. I have to reduce it. That is the thing I reduced it and again relaunch the form because then only the form will move to the manager level. Again, manager will do the self rating. So we will hold the class for up to here for today because I'm just trying to refresh it. The form is still not coming in the inbox. It has to come. So we will wait for the form to come. So after that, we will do the manager self rating, one-to-one rating, and employee signature and manager signature. These activities will be complete in the coming class. Is it okay?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay, fine.